Look at this little piglet. That's her mama right there. That one. Can you see how little she is? I don't know how much the camera's picking her up, but she's so cute. Hey, Mama, move out the way. That one there ought to be having babies soon, too. But we had our first baby today. Don't know what we're going to name her yet. She got a little black spot on her ear. She got lots of black spots on her back. Like, I think she's so cute. Okay, just a minute. I don't know if you can even tell how little she is. Like, she's maybe 8 to 10 inches. Here's the rest of our pigs. I think this one here might have had babies before we got her. And I think she might be drying off. But this in here, her belly's still touching the ground. That one over there, her belly's about touching the ground. Can't see these other ones. The one over there that's in the water, her belly's. Look how big. Looks like she's about to have some babies. So yeah. Probably about to be overrun with some piglets. I wonder how many this in here is going to have. She's a big old girl. This one's Big Mama. She's the lightest of them all. She's got like the biggest head on her. That's why we call her Big Mama. Yep. Alright, y'all. Just wanted to show you these babies.